Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and allow camera access on Snapchat on your iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply going to go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, the first thing would be for us to simply access our settings of the app, and then afterwards what we're gonna do first, we're gonna go ahead here in this in top section, this kind of video is gonna pop up, right? So we're gonna just scroll down till we find our particular Snapchat app. Scroll down to the bottom till you get it. So we have got our Snapchat app, right? Go ahead, tap on it, and here in the top upper section you can see allow Snapchat to access all of the permission that it requires the app to be run is specifically over there, and then the device can access the permission too. And here in this camera section you can see right, this a particular camera is like turned on and it says the green symbol. So if you turn this off and if it turns to gray, and then if by default if it's like that, simply gonna go ahead, come over here, tap on it. Once it turns green, that means the permission has been accessed. You're gonna go back and simply refresh your app once and you will be able to use it Snapchat app with the camera access. That is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to y'all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.